Hi, today on Gary's Urban Larder, I'm making for you a chicken burger. A dry-brined chicken breast, pan-fried in olive oil, butter, garlic, and thyme. Let's get started. Let me take you through our ingredients. It's really pretty simple. I've got a crushed clove of garlic, some butter, some olive oil, and some thyme. I have our brined chicken breasts, and I have some buns which I'm going to toast in the pan, and I'm going to get a little butter in there now. So these are brioche and seeded. They're really beautiful. A little butter just helps the browning along, so just get those on. While those are browning, I'm going to make our aioli. And I have an egg yolk from a large egg, teaspoon of Dijon, pinch of sea salt, some white wine vinegar, and some neutral oil. I'm using a sunflower oil. I've got about, what is that? Half a cup of, no, 2/3 of a cup of the oil. So about 150 mils. So I'm going to use an immersion blender. Yeah. Make sure it's on full speed. And we want to leave the immersion blender at the bottom. And we just want to slowly incorporate the oil. It's really making a mayonnaise with garlic. And that is what we're going to use on our chicken burger. You can see that is becoming emulsion. So we have our emulsion, and I'm just going to remove our toasted brioche buns. These look great. And we're going to add some olive oil, and we're going to add another knob of butter. Going to add our thyme, and I have a crushed clove of garlic that goes in skin and all, and then our brine chicken. So it's very easy for chicken breasts to become dry and tasteless. And that's what we're trying to avoid by doing the dry brine overnight. That helps hold in some of the moisture into that chicken. We've added a little bit of butter. We've got our aromatic in terms of the thyme. And I'm just going to start to put some of that around our chicken, just to make sure we really get that flavor profile throughout the bird. And we'll just let that stand for now. Okay, I'm just using my tongs, and I'm just going to turn the dress over so that we start to seal the other side. And again, I just want to tip my pan and bring some of the oil that's now flavored with the garlic and our thyme onto our chicken breasts. So once that has a bit of color on both sides, I'll reduce the temperature, and then I will cover this because, again, it's very easy for a chicken breast to dry out, and we don't want that. We want nice, plump, juicy chicken breasts. That's why we dry brine them. And that's why we're doing this method. Okay, we've got a good color and seal on those chicken breasts. So now I'm just going to cover them and I'm going to reduce the temperature in the pan and we'll let those continue to steam a bit. We'll give it about 3 to 5 minutes and then we'll remove it to a plate, let it rest, and then we'll be able to prepare our sandwich. Okay, it's time to remove these. Oh, it's a beautiful color on them. It has a fantastic aroma. It's just filling the kitchen. And just have a look at that. So we'll let those rest for just a minute before we make our chicken burgers. We've cleaned up a bit and we're ready to dress our sandwich. We'll just use some of the aioli here and I'll take one of our breasts and place that right on top. And a slice of tomato, beautiful beefsteak tomato, onto that. And I think I'll add just a little bit more of the aioli on top. Just a small handful of arugula or rocket onto the top of our bun, which gives a nice peppery addition to our sandwich. So there we have it. A beautiful garlic thyme chicken burger with rocket or arugula and freshly made aioli. It's time to taste it. Cleaned up a little bit. Before we taste it, I just want to give it a quick cut through so you can see the inside of this chicken. Look at that. It's beautiful. It's cooked all the way through. And it's beautiful and juicy. Okay, let's give it a taste. You can see how juicy it is. This is delicious. Tender. The aioli isn't overpowering. The thyme comes through and the arugula or rocket adds that peppery finish that I love. Well, thank you for joining me today on Gary's Urban Larder. If you enjoyed today's recipe, please give us a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring that notification bell so you don't miss a single recipe. Subscribing is free. Come on, join us. And also, share this video with your friends to help build a community. Until next time, goodbye.